Go.
Hello, we are going to pull the names for the referral bonus. All right, Brandon Kushta, refer to mechanic Ryan Muchkin. Joe Cannon, refer to driver Sharik Sabar. Brandon Perry, refer to mechanic Brad Swaggle. Tom Schofield, refer to driver Richard Respro. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. Marvin Cooper, refer to mechanic Joshua Hetzel. Marvin Cooper also referred a mechanic Morgan Milstead. Sam Atkins, refer to driver Rodney Harrell. Ashton Shear referred a driver Magdalia Nately. Tevin Newman referred to driver Teresa Roberts. Joe Underwood referred a mechanic student Joseph Morgan. Ronald Halting referred to driver John Everday. Javier Fagari referred to mechanic Miguel Caro. Randy Wiggins referred to driver Chad Ferguson. All right, get down. Delmar Lambert referred to driver James Craigie. And George Herta referred a driver James Chowders. All right. You get to pull it in. You get to pull it in.
I sure don't vote, somebody thinks I'm cheating.
All right, the winner is Marvin Cooper. Good job, Marvin.